Salama!
Salamo!
So guys, another day, another adventure. Today we are gonna hike in Isalo National Park. Let's go. All right, let's go to the park office and pay for the entrance. Okay, we have the park ticket and the guide ticket. Everything there. So, this is Dolphin, my guide in the park. Look at this, the first wild chameleon. I'm quite amazed how Dolphin could see this chameleon from the car. This is a mimosa plant, so if you touch the leaves, they will close. Wow, really interesting insects. So the plan is to hike on top of this mountain to enjoy the view. Maybe you have already noticed that Sigga is not with me today. The reason is she is sick. So this is the viewpoint. Let's check how the view is from up here. Not bad, not bad. Some locals enjoying a swim. It is really hot today. I think the temperatures go up to 35, 36. So I am sweating quite a lot. And that is why I need to cool down. The water is so cold, but this is so nice. I feel like a new man. It was so refreshing swimming in this cold river. Wow. Leaving our great hotel room here in Isalo. Sigga, how did you like staying here?
Oh, it's been great.
Despite you being sick.
And you started out sick first.
Yeah, and I had food poisoning at the start.
Yeah.
But it was really nice staying here. One of the main reasons is this AC. So it was nice and cold in our room. As you can see, we have packed our bags and we are ready to go. But look at this, we have a bathtub which we have been using and a really great view. Not bad. All right, Sigga, what do you say? Shall we go?
It's time to go.
Yeah. Let's say goodbye to this beautiful place. Oh, I will miss it. The plan now is to drive to Tsaranoro nature reserve, and that will take, I think our driver said, 4 hours. And tomorrow we're gonna do a hike there. Wow, it is incredibly hot outside. I think the forecast said 36. Our car is here. Now we just need to find Mika. Sigga is gonna pay. Yeah, this was not cheap. But we decided to stay here because we were sick. Like I mentioned earlier, first I was sick with food poisoning. And then Sigga had a fever. So we needed a nice place to stay with AC. Hi Mika.
Salama.
Salama.
How are you doing?
I'm very good. How about you?
I am fine. Thank you for asking.
So I gave Mika some brennivin to try from Iceland.
Let's try it.
Yeah, let's try. You like it?
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, it is. It is quite
But
strong.
It has good taste.
Yeah. The national spirit of Iceland. Yeah, it burns.
Yeah. Thank you, Herman.
No problem.
I think the road will be
Better now.
better now.
So Prudence,
Yes.
he's gonna try also some brennivin.
Yes. It's very good.
Ah, you like it? Okay.
I like.
So we bought some local sweets, tamarind with sugar. Oh, it's so sour. I didn't expect that. And really, really sweet. We are now on the national road number 7, and the road here is actually very good. So we have arrived to Tsaranoro, which is this cliff you can see. Let's go to the room now. This is our room for the night. Looks quite okay. Sigga, excited to go on the hike?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're still a little bit sick.
Yeah. We will see tomorrow.
Here's the bed. Yeah, I mean, it's quite okay. Cannot complain. Bathroom. time to go to bed. See you tomorrow. All right, let's go hiking.
Let's go.
We have beautiful weather and really nice surroundings. The hotel has these adorable dogs. Really big ones. Let's start the hike. This mountain is our goal today.
Yeah, it's called Chameleon.
The Chameleon.
Chameleon Mountain.
This is the famous Tsaranoro mountain. This is Romy
Yes.
and Shulu.
Yeah.
Fantastic guides. Sigga, how are you feeling?
Okay.
She's still a little bit sick, so her energy is not really good.
Sweat.
Sweating, and not too far to the top. So the elevation gain from our hotel is 800 meters.
What is that?
It is cricket.
Not much more to go. What a view!
Can you sit here?
Sigga is quite low on energy after the fever, so we are gonna rest. Yeah, we are almost at the top.
Yes.
Great view.
Yeah, with good camera.
With good camera, yeah, exactly. A little bit narrow here on the ridge. This is perfect. Nice and cold. So here's a tomb. Oh wow. So, this is the mountain we climbed this morning. And here you can see the place we are staying. Right there. Sigga, you have a new friend.
It's the emotional support animal
Oh,
after the hike.